Hey everyone, welcome back. If you think the roads in your area are bad, think again. Today, we're diving into some of the muddiest roads on Earth, where massive trucks become helpless mudsleds, and every rescue mission looks like it's straight out of an action movie. Let's jump right in. Sometimes, getting through a road like this takes more than just a powerful truck. It takes another vehicle to lend a hand. The pickup struggles to pull the larger truck free, but the soft, muddy surface leaves the tires spinning helplessly. Engines roar, mud flies in every direction, yet both vehicles remain firmly trapped by the thick, sticky mud. Not every challenge comes from muddy roads or steep mountain climbs. Sometimes, an old wooden bridge is enough to make even the most experienced driver hold their breath. On long journeys, trouble can strike without warning. In an instant, a loud bang echoes as the truck suffers a tire blowout at highway speed. The vehicle begins to shake violently, forcing the driver to grip the steering wheel tightly and stay calm, as a single wrong move could turn the situation into a serious accident. Some hairpin turns don't just test a driver's skills, they push the limits of the entire vehicle. While attempting to guide an oversized load through the tight corner, the tractor unit becomes trapped, unable to move forward or reverse. A recovery team quickly steps in, carefully coordinating every maneuver and adjusting the truck inch by inch to free it. One small miscalculation could put both the massive load and the entire vehicle at serious risk. Everything happened within seconds. As the truck's center of gravity shifted, the entire vehicle slowly tipped over onto its side. Fortunately, no other vehicles were involved, but the incident serves as a reminder that even a small mistake can quickly lead to a major accident. The situation unfolded so quickly that the driver had no choice but to jump clear for safety. Out of control, the vehicle continued rolling on its own for several seconds before losing balance and overturning, bringing the dramatic incident to an unfortunate end. After a powerful gust of wind, a roadside tree suddenly uprooted and crashed onto a moving dump truck. Fortunately, the driver escaped unharmed. Rescue crews soon arrived with heavy equipment, removing the massive tree and recovering the truck before reopening the road. Sharp mountain hairpin turns are among the greatest challenges for truck drivers. A little too much speed or one wrong steering input can leave a massive truck stuck across the road. Every successful turn depends on patience, precision, and years of driving experience. For oversized semi-trucks, this hairpin turn is a true test of skill. The driver must carefully move forward and reverse, adjusting the steering angle inch by inch to guide the trailer through. Even the slightest mistake could leave the entire rig stranded in the middle of the bend. This dangerous bend has seen countless accidents, and this truck became another victim. While negotiating the corner, the vehicle lost its balance and slowly rolled onto its side, blocking most of the roadway. Just a few seconds of misjudgment were enough to turn an ordinary trip into a serious incident. The tight bend leaves the tractor trailer stuck, with its wheels spinning helplessly and no way to get through alone. Another truck is quickly brought in to assist with the recovery. Thanks to careful teamwork between both drivers, the stranded truck finally makes it safely around the challenging corner. What looks like an ordinary hill quickly becomes a major challenge for the heavily loaded truck. Even at full throttle, the wheels keep slipping and fail to climb the incline. In the end, another tractor unit arrives to help, pulling the struggling truck safely to the top. After several determined attempts and excellent teamwork between the two trucks, the heavy rig finally conquers the hill. The roaring engines begin to settle as the tires finally gain solid traction. A successful recovery brings an intense and challenging rescue to a satisfying end. When both manpower and machinery struggled against the deep mud, the true giants stepped in. Using their incredible strength, the elephants slowly pulled the tractor out of the muddy pit. It's a rare and remarkable rescue, proving that nature's power can sometimes outperform machines. Those were some of the most dramatic moments on dangerous roads and incredible rescue operations. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.